Hello friends, welcome to GST Quick Info Bite, and today's topic is issue of invoice by real estate developer or builder. Well, the process of invoicing for construction service is different in comparison to others. Construction service provided by a builder is in the nature of continuous supply of service. Now, what does this continuous supply of service means? Continuous supply of service as per CGST Act means a supply of service which is provided or is agreed to be provided continuously or on recurrent basis under a contract and for a period exceeding 3 months with periodic payment obligation. In this scenario, let's see how the invoice is supposed to be issued by the builder or the developer. Proper care must be taken to check and go through the terms of payment as mentioned in the agreement for sale or the conveyance deed entered with the buyer. Now, the three situations which needs your attention here is where the due date for payment is ascertainable from the contract, that is the agreement or the conveyance deed or the contract. Invoice shall be issued on or before the due date of payment. In the second instance, in case if the due date of payment is not ascertainable from the contract, then the invoice shall be issued before or at the time when the supplier of service receives the payment. In the third situation, where the payment is linked to the completion of an event, say, for example, it may be piling, casting of the first floor, etc., then in that case, invoice shall be issued on or before the date of completion of that event. Practically, there are situations either due date of payment is mentioned in the agreement or is linked to the completion of an event, but still the builder does not issue the tax invoice as he has not received the payment from the buyer. However, non-issuance of invoice results in violation of GST provisions and consequently non-payment of tax or the delayed payment of tax. Now, moving on to a few other cases, what if an advance payment is received? In case if any advance payment is received, then it is very important to issue receipt voucher. This advance payment received is also required to be shown in GSTR 1. And whenever an invoice is issued against such advance, appropriate adjustment is required to be made in GSTR 1 for reducing the amount of such advance. Now, there may also arise a situation if after the issue of receipt voucher, supply does not take place and consequently no tax invoice is issued by the builder. Then in that case, it is very important to issue refund voucher to the person who had made the payment earlier. So to conclude, receipt voucher issued earlier when the advance payment was received is not cancelled, but it is reversed by issuing refund voucher to the same person from whom it was received earlier. In such cases, also appropriate adjustment is required to be made in GSTR 1 for reducing the amount of such advance. Thank you friends for watching this video. I kindly request you to subscribe to this channel and also press the bell button to receive the notification as and when the video is uploaded. Thank you.